on my bed, I will be the queen.
I can't. I bet you would be.
It looks. Can I sit on it now?
Yes, you can sit on it now.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while. I have moved since my last video. This is my room currently. I had a lot of just junk there because I haven't had time to redo my room or just do my room in general. So yeah, this is why I'm making this video. So hope you enjoy. So obviously this part right here, we were having such a hard time to get it so that it was straight, and yeah, it took us a minute, but we got it at the end. So the overall idea for my room was just to have a lot of light colors, because I wanted my room to just naturally have natural light coming in without being so dark and having dark colors, and just, you know, just having that natural sunlight being able to come in and brighten up the room. Because I think it's very refreshing instead of having dark colors that can be very depressing. So it's kind of risky. I have 2 kids, but yeah, we're gonna make it work. Okay, now I bought myself some new pillows and obviously some new white sheets. So I got this sheet here, and it did not come with shams. So make sure when you're buying sheets, make sure it comes with at least, you know, pillow shams. So something neat, I did have a few pieces in here that were recycled, which basically means to me that someone didn't want it and gave it to me, so I got to redo it and make it my own. Shout outs to Cheryl for these personal items. And then also the buffet I have here was also given to me as well. And yeah, so I'm just gonna have a little clip of the little befores and after, and how I got to use them in my room. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And let me know what you think down below. Definitely tell me if this is videos you would like to see on my channel, because I do have more space that I need to get into. But thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, and have a great weekend.